I didn't. That's funny. Oh, I set my alarm off on the focus. And we're back again! This time, I'm going to be attempting to attach my carbon fibre onto my bumper, that way around. So, what I've got is I have my drill. I've got some 4.8mm black rivets, and I have some 4.8mm drill bits. I'm going to be drilling out where these indentations are. I think the last one's there, then there's none on here till you get to there again. I'm going to drill out all them and rivet it on, and then where it goes underneath and overlaps, I will drill and drill and drill. I might put mini bolts in, or I could rivet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'll probably just rivet, then the other thing will be riveted on then. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing this bottom splitter first, and then I'll look at doing the canards. So this has been an interesting video, because it could look really good or I could fail. Let's find out what's going to happen. Well, that's a fail. Just left the freaking nib there. He's still stuck out. So that's a fail. I think the ones I bought are just too long, so it takes forever to snap off. So the first one was a bit of a fail because it snapped off, leaving a bit out. I'll sort that out. I'll get some pliers and I'll get if I need to, I'll get a junior hacksaw on it and cut that bit off. But I want to do the rest because I want to attach it on. So I've done that one now in that corner. I want to do the one in this corner. I want to do this one so it's level and it's not going to move then, and then I can start doing the others. So I'm going to do this side now. And it's attached. A rivet, 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 rivet. I got a bolt on this corner and a bolt on the other corner. You just see it attached there. All I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the heads black, or I'm going to get a black bolt at some point. But that's helped pull the side in. So there's like a 2mm gap, and this side's pretty flush. I'll see if I can pull that 2mm gap in a bit more. I'm not sure if I can because of the shape of the actual splitter, but I'll have a go. But it's fitted. Our splitter is on. I can't wait to put this on the car. Well, I've just sat it on the car, hence why none of the panel gaps are right, but it looks awesome. It looks really good, like really good. I mean, don't get me wrong, that bumper looks wicked without a number plate or wrote on it. Oh, it does look really, really good. Especially with its headlights, you know, it really sets the car off now. Wow. That looks amazing with that lip on. I just don't know how to put my canards. I don't know where to put them. Let me grab you my canards. So, I have a canard. It could literally be sat there. There. It could literally go like anywhere. There's no markings or anything for it, so I'm going to have to do a bit of research online to find out exactly where they need to go, or whether it's just down to preference. But oh, she looks so good. She looks so good. Look at that. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. She looks amazing. Amazing right there. Absolutely amazing. I got so much more work to do. set my alarm off on the Focus. Fuck. Did I hit it? I don't know. I didn't. That's funny. Oh, I set my alarm off. I just started up the Supra to move it backwards so I can get into my garage, and I set my alarm off on the Focus. Oh, that's funny. Running a bit rough. She's definitely only running on 5. Definitely only on 5.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts implode.
Supporting the videos, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and thank you for those who comment as well. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Bluudys and Supra out. Out!